Good afternoon, everyone. How are you? Fine, sir. Today, no? Today is what day? Commerce Day. Okay. Before explaining about the importance of Commerce Day, I like to greet everyone, dear teachers, respected principal sir, and my future businessmen and women. Because most of you in class, you are not going for job, you told you are interested for doing any business or any startup, right? Like some of you said you will start some restaurant or agriculture business. Yeah, so I am very grateful you are thinking about starting up a new business, because business is a very great career for you. Okay, so as Commerce Day we celebrate in a month of August. I think in last year I told you in month of August, first Monday we celebrate as a Commerce Day. So last year it was on 5th August, right? So this is very important for you, not for only commerce students, science students. This is also important, right? So I think, do you know who is the father of commerce? Known as father of commerce, not economics. Father of economics, you know. Father of commerce, Aristotle, right? He is known as father of commerce because he started the trading route, silk route known as. Okay, so Aristotle known as father of commerce, father of economics. Everyone knows, right? Adam Smith. I think Pathak sir has told you the father of economics, right? Because basically commerce is actually part of economics. Okay, commerce only a part of economics. Economics is a broad, large term, right? So you need to understand the importance of commerce, because if I talk about 1000 years ago, 2000 years ago, there was no credit card, UPI system, right? No mobile phone, no technology was there. So that time, how they were doing business? They were trading, but what they were doing? How they were? Yes, what? Barter system, barter exchange. Suppose if I have wheat, ragi, or you have gold, you can exchange me with ragi with gold, right? Would you do? Would you do 2 kg gold and 2 kg ragi with me? No, na, that is not a great deal, because you have to check the value or demand of that particular product. Okay, so that's why that after that modern business trade happened, currency printed, then slowly everyone started trading through medium of money. Right now we are going digital money, right? UPI, credit cards, nothing. No one is carrying cash, right? Principals are also don't carry cash, right? Do you carry cash, sir? Cash. हाँ. हाँ बस सर आप कैश यूज करते हैं, मतलब आप बाहर कहीं जाते नॉर्मल. Most of the teacher or anyone if you ask, they are using UPI through mobile Paytm. There are many apps, right? Okay, so you have to use these kind, because you have to change according to the technology. If you don't adapt technology, you will be lagging behind. Okay, so commerce is very important. Since some of students ask me, sir, why commerce? Why not science? Why not arts? Because in science, all streams are good, but in science, engineers make machines, right? In artists makes them beautiful machine. But commerce student, they sell that machine on EMI with discount with free delivery, right? So commerce is a link between science and commerce, because you have to manage on a daily basis. How? Because management is you need very good. I think in 12th commerce your book is totally on management, right? So you have to check everything on commerce. I think, okay, for now I don't want to take more time because we have shortage of time. So thank you all of you. Wishing you very happy Commerce Day. Okay, God bless you. But before clicking on, please check your balance. Okay, whenever you are ordering something, check your balance.